Hi, here are your activities for chapter 6. So your first activity is going to be your vocabulary. So remember, you go to dictionary.com just like last week, and you can copy and paste all the vocabulary words. So your words for this chapter are embarrassed, celebration, temper tantrum, measured, and noticed. All right, this activity is really fun. So it's about summarizing, but you're going to be using Google Maps to help you out. So in this chapter, Peter Fudge and his mom took a trip around town going to a few different places. So we're going to follow their day on this map. And what you're going to do is you're going to summarize and tell me about what they did at each of their different stops. So this walks you through what you're going to do. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the image of this map right here. The second thing you're going to do is make a copy of this map. So just like you would make a copy of a Google Doc or Google Slides, you're going to make a copy, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. And then once you make your own copy, then you're going to write a short summary about each of the stops along the map. And then you're going to copy and paste the link to your Google map down here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do all those things. All right, so first we're going to click on the map to get the link to the map. Okay, so this one, this one's only, it's view only, okay? So what you have to do is make a copy. So in order to make a copy, you click on the three dots and you click on copy map. So here you can rename it. So instead of copy of, you can write your name. Right, Lisa's map. Okay, so it's making a copy. And now I can edit this map. So the first thing I want you to do after you make your copy is to share, change the sharing privileges. Otherwise, we won't be able to see your map. So you're going to share it, and see right now only I can access it. So what you're going to do is you're going to change it, and you're going to say anyone with the link can view it, and then you hit save. Okay, and then you hit done. All right, so what you can do now is you can see that there are three stops. So the first stop is the dentist, Mr. Brown's dentist. The second stop was Bloomingdale's to get the shoes. And then the third stop was Hamburger Heaven. Okay, and the stops are also here. And then this one right here is their house. Okay, so it says Peter's apartment. You don't have to include a summary for this one. Okay, so they started at their apartment. So these are their stops: their apartment, then they went to the dentist, shoes, and lunch. Okay, you can do them in any order. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on one. So you're going to click here, and then in this box, you're going to write a summary. So in order to do that, you have to click edit. So you click on edit, you're going to leave the title the same, and then you're going to type a summary of what happened at the dentist. So you're going to say, at the dentist, and then you're going to type a summary of what happened at the dentist, and then you hit save. Okay, then you're going to go to Bloomingdale's, and you're going to type your summary here. So if I go back to see the dentist, see how it saved what I wrote there. Okay, so after you're done writing your three summaries, so you need a summary for the dentist, summary for Bloomingdale's, and summary for Hamburger Heaven. After you're done with those three summaries, then what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste the link so that we can see it. So remember, don't forget to share it so that we can see it. Otherwise, we can't see your work. Okay, so make sure that we can see it. Then you're going to click here, Control C to copy, or you can right click, copy. Then you're going to go back into here and see where it says click here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that. then you're going to highlight it, and then you're going to right click on it and see where it says link. You're going to turn it into a link. Okay, so to turn it into, all you need to do is paste and hit apply, and then it looks like nothing happened, but if I go out of it and I click on it, it now turned it into a link, and it turned it into the link of my one that I made. See, because it has my changes in there. Okay, and see how it says Lisa's Chapter 6 map? So that's how you're going to get your work in there. Okay, so again, the steps are there. So you click on the map, you make a copy of the map. Remember how I made the copy? I clicked on the 3 dots. I said copy map. Then I renamed it. Then I shared the map, okay, so that I can see it. I should add that in here, say share it. And then when I'm done, excuse me, when I'm done writing the summaries, then I copy and paste the link down here, okay? So that is what you're going to do for today's activity. And when you're done with that activity, then you are going to take the Chapter 6 quiz, and you are done with your activities for today. All right, there you go. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.